Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the isometric projection of different problems. So last few classes you can see we are discussing different kind of models. So how to draw this isometric view from the orthographic. Okay. So here one question I have taken. So front view and top view given. So from this front view, top view, we need to draw the isometric view of that. So I'll copy this image to the AutoCAD. In the AutoCAD, first I'll create one page to draw. So for that, I'll go for NB setup, and this is the process is there. Yeah. So you can see I have just created a page here to draw the diagram, and what I have copied from there, I'll paste it here, so that it will be easy for us to take the dimension. And this is the image is there. Now first of all, we need to identify in this diagram what is the length of the object, what is the width of the object, and what is the height of the object. So here you can see the length of the object is 70, plus here one semicircle is there which is of radius 30. So total here length is 100 mm, and similarly height of the object is 60, and width we can see from the top view. So that is given radius 30 given means the total width of that object is 60. So 100, 60, 60. So what I'll do, I'll start from this point. Okay. So first of all, we need to change this orthographic mode to isometric mode. So for that, already I told number of times, we can go for OSNAP, we can type isodraft, we can go for this this customization tab. So many options are there. So directly I'll click on this. Now here see, it is iso right plane selected. So I'll select the line and draw a line of 100, and height, how much is the 60 height is there. So let's go for height 60. Then directly I'll come to again 100 back. Again I'll come down to 15. Then I'll go inside 50. Again I'll come down, how much is there? Yeah, it will be like 15 gone. Then remaining out of 60 it is gone, 30 gone. So remaining 30 will be there. So I'll take 30. Again I'll come back this side 50. Again I'll come down 15. Shall close it. Okay. Now you can see in the front view another one circle is visible, a hole is visible. Okay, with a diameter of 20. So what I'll do, I'll just what is the position of this? Now it is situated in the midpoint of this, and with a distance of 20 from the side. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take a distance of 20. Let's draw a line from this midpoint, and how much is there? 20 distance is there. Just draw like this, draw a line like this, and here we need to draw this circle. This circle need to be drawn in isometric view, so iso circle need to be selected. For that I'll type ellipse, and I'll select the iso circle here, and I'll just click on this object. Now you can see there is a circle created here with a diameter of 20. So this line not required now for, so we can delete that. And now we can see if the front view mostly I have done, but top view need to be done in this way. So what I'll do, I'll just whatever I drawn here, I'll just copy this image with a width of 60 mm. So just copy it and select the best point. Now you can see I want to copy in this way, left side, but it is moving only right and top. So F5, if I select it, can get moved to the side. So 60. Yeah, now this is enough. Now what we need to do, we just need to join all this line, all these corner points need to be joined. Okay, so after joining this corner, what we'll do, I'll just copy this line, and I'll select this base. I'll just keep it all these points. Okay, yeah, so mostly you can see I have just copied that line, and I have kept all this. I will just join all these corner points. Okay, then the next thing is top view. We need to see here. This is front view, somehow we have completed, and top view what is given, this kind of shape is given. Okay, so there is a hole is there, this hole is there, and there is a cut portion is there in this. So we'll go for this top view side. So we'll start from here 15. So let's start from here. it's a distance of 15. Then again come this side, it's not coming this side, so I'll type I'll click on the F5 so that it come in this way. So what is the inside, how much is there here? A whole this cut portion length 40, so inside it is near about 40. Again this side how much gap is there? 30. Okay, it will be 30. Again go inside 40. Again you can just close it into 15, close it. Okay, and now this line also actually you can copy it and select the base point and just keep it here. Okay, yeah. Now some extra part will delete it. Now it's not required, like this is inside, it will be not visible, so we'll delete that. And this one also you can delete. Okay, and this part we can trim it. So what I'll do, I'll just TR enter, and this is also inside, will not visible, so I'll just trim it. Okay, so you can see few portion we have done, like this portion we have done here, and we need to draw the circle and semicircle in this point. After that we'll trim other things, or else we can trim these other inside parts are there which is not required for us, we can just trim it, all these things. This will be not required mostly, I hope, so we can trim that part. Okay, remain things let it be like that, then after that we'll draw. Now the next thing is, in the top if you see, we can see a semicircle here and a circle here. So that need to draw the semicircle, so with a distance of 60, and radius 30 given. So what I'll do, I'll just draw a box first here. From this I'll take how much 30, and this side how much 60 is there. Okay, again 30, that is not required, already there, so no need to draw again. So here we need to draw a semicircle and a circle here. So for that we know the common ellipse is there, and select the isocircle and this midpoint. You see the midpoint is there, just select on this and just now see, if I clicking on this midpoint, the value is showing here how much? 30. Yeah, of course radius 30 is there, so diameter 60 will be there, so just I click on that. I have done. Next again same need to be considered, go for the isocircle, select the midpoint here and draw a circle of 30 diameter, that is 15 radius, you can type, enter. Okay, so mostly we have done. Now extra part, this is not required because only semicircle is given, so I'll just trim it, that part. Okay, and this is also not required right now, so you can delete that. Control Z. Let it keep it like this, after that we'll delete it. Okay, now the next thing is what we'll do, we'll just copy this, object what we have drawn. Okay, and it will be extend to bottom side, because it is there, if you see there is a height is there and it is totally whole part is there, and this is semicircle is there. The semicircle and whole need to be gone through this object. So for that what I'll do, I'll just select this semicircle and this circle and I'll copy it, enter, and I'll just select the base point of this and I'll come to down, but it is not coming, it is moving only this direction. So I'll click on F5, so it will come down. How much distance is there? First is 15 is there, depth, enter. Next depth is near about 45, yeah. Again next is there 60, yeah. So that's it. So these are the things need to be joined, so I have drawn that one. The next portion, the next work is for us, we just need to delete unnecessary part. So what we'll do, we'll just go for trim and just we'll trim all these parts here which is not required for us. Okay, this is not visible, so you can trim it. This is also. Okay, next bottom part also need to be trimmed, but while trimming this one carefully need to trim it, because sometimes the required part also will be mistakenly deleted, so carefully need to delete that. Yeah, this also can be deleted, and here also. Yeah, the next thing is this part also will be not visible for us in the, because it is in the bottom side, so you won't able to see that. So you can keep like this. Okay, because we need to assume that if we see the object, how it will be visible from this side, and that you need to optimize actually. Yeah, mostly we have completed, only few things are there. Select one line and just draw a line. You can see when it, because it is inside, it is there, but it will be actually, it will not like that, though it is there. First we can see as a line here from this quadrant to quadrant, we'll just join that, and similarly here also in the bottom part also just can join it, and inside that small arc we can just delete it. Now you can see it is looking like properly. And one more thing, this one we can just extend this line, because it will be not half, like, will be not there. You can draw like this, and I think mostly we have completed everything. If anything is pending, let once check it. Now we need to cross check it whether front view will be visible like this. Now see, if I see the front view here, this portion you can see, and there is a hole is there. Yeah, that also visible. Next, similarly we can see up to a line here, because if you, when you see the object from the front view, we cannot see this curved structure, we can see only a line and this box along with the hole. Similarly, when you see the object from the top side, from the top view, we can see this kind of shape. Okay, this cut portion we can see, along with that there is a circle is there, which with the hole is up to the last, it is gone through the last of the object, and along with that there is a semicircle which is there here. Okay, so let's see the diagram how it is drawn. Yeah, now you can see, if I copy this, compare this both. I hope it is mostly we have done everything. Yeah, now if you see everything we have done correctly. But before going to draw everything, let's start from the basic, like what the length, height and width, and after that once think how it can be drawn, and which we need to be started first, and what the procedure for that. Okay, so these are things important, and meanwhile we just can give the dimension. This was not required, for our reference only I have taken. Now we'll go for the dimension. Okay, before dimension, what I'll do, I'll just highlight our answer, and I'll make it, change it color, and I'll go for the increase in thickness, so it looks good. Yeah, mostly completed. Now we'll go for the align dimension. Now you can select from here to here, for the dimension is there. Similarly the height, and similarly from here to the width is there, how much is there, we can just select it, and similarly from here to here for the length, and all these things need to be given properly. Yeah, anything is there that is given, and here also this is 15, you can keep it like this, and already is there, but still again if you want to give, that can be given. That means from this center point to, and this one 30 is there, because already it is given 60, that is not required again. Anyway, if you have given, you can, it's well and good, so that can be done in this way. Okay, so now what I'll do, we'll just go for redeem edit, enter, go for oblique, and give an angle of 150, so that will get the things like this. Okay, and similarly this these are the values what you can see here, all these dimensions. Again we can just change it. Similarly redeem edit common, go for oblique, and select an angle of 30 degree, so you'll get parallel to this all diagram. I'll take it outside. This one also can be taken outside. Yeah, and these things also, if you want to mark it, and go for dim edit, enter, go for oblique. This one we can make it 90 degree. Yeah, 90 degree is not taking. I will go for that one. Dim edit, oblique, select this, enter, and it should be taken. Otherwise, we will go for this again, same 30 degree. Okay. Now line always that you can see both should be properly matched. Okay, I have taken down, keep in middle. Okay. Now any other dimensions are missing, means similar manner we can give all the dimensions. But the procedure, most important thing, how to draw this. So I hope you understood how to draw the isometrical view from this orthographic. If you are having any kind of query and any doubt regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.